how to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11. Now, it's very easy to do this. Let's bring up a web browser and you want to find rarlab.com, rarlab.com, and once you're on RARLab, you want to come to the downloads here on the left hand side. Select that, and the latest version of WinRAR will be here at the very top. So we want to select that one. It will automatically start to download as you see here. Then it'll go into your downloads folder. You can open that up, and this is the installation file. You can double click it. Now here you can select the destination folder. I'll leave it at my default in the program files. So let's select install. Now here you can do the setup. This is the associated WinRAR files, so all these files will be associated with WinRAR. You can go to the interface and the shell integration. If you don't know what these are all about, just leave them as default and press OK. Now we want to press done. You can now delete this installation folder. And now we have successfully installed WinRAR. If you want to add a desktop shortcut, you can search for it here. We can pin it to the taskbar if you always want it available. So hopefully that helps you out how to download and install WinRAR on Windows 11. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.